Here's another problem that I've had some folks encounter is they go and they sign up and they sign in, and for some reason your browser has blocked your microphone and camera. And it'll allow you to join without the mic and cam. However, you're not going to be able to be put into the show. It won't allow me on my side of the show to add you in. Real quick fix for that. Again, I have to make the caveat that I'm using an Apple. So we're in a Chrome browser, and I see this little button right up here. If you click on that, it shows camera and microphone are turned off. So I've got to turn them both on. And I will, at this point now, I can click over there and find out, do I have my camera? Pick the right camera. Good, perfect. And you see, it's going to ask me now to reload the browser. You have to reload it so that it saves those permissions. Now it should go ahead and put those in. And whoopie doopie, there we are. Microphone's working. We're there.